I want to confirm.
Can I help you?
You can't.
Yeah, I need the documentation. I wasn't actually.
Legal Roadmap. Confrontation at Platinum Auto Sales. This analysis is based on the events documented in the 3 video segments provided, showing multiple confrontations between dealership staff and an individual at Platinum Auto Sales in Norco, CA. 1. Potential penal, criminal, code violations. The footage captures behavior by dealership employees that may violate several California penal codes. PC. Battery. PC 242. Defined as any willful and unlawful use of force or violence upon another. The videos document staff members initiating physical contact, including chest bumping and pushing the victim. Assault. PC 240. An unlawful attempt coupled with a present ability to commit a violent injury. The aggressive nose-to-nose posturing and verbal intimidation displayed constitute assault. Criminal threats. PC 422. Making threats to commit a crime resulting in death or great bodily injury with the intent that the statement be taken as a threat. False imprisonment. PC 236. The unlawful violation of the personal liberty of another. This is relevant, where staff members surrounded the victim, effectively blocking his path and preventing him from leaving the premises. 2. Potential civil code violations. Civil law provides a path for the victim to seek monetary compensation for damages and emotional distress. Civil battery and assault. The victim may sue for the physical contact and the apprehension of immediate harm caused by the staff's aggression. Intentional infliction of emotional distress, IIED. This applies to outrageous conduct intended to cause or performed with reckless disregard for severe emotional suffering. The Ralph Act, Civil Code Section 51.7. This statute protects individuals from violence or intimidation by threat of violence. Violations can lead to civil penalties and attorney's fees. 3. Potential commerce and business code violations. Because this occurred within a commercial setting, specific business regulations apply. Unfair competition law. Business and Professions Code, Section 17200, prohibits unlawful, unfair, or fraudulent business acts. Utilizing physical intimidation to resolve consumer disputes is an unlawful business practice. Consumers Legal Remedies Act, CLRA, Civil Code, Section 1750, designed to protect consumers against unfair methods of competition and deceptive acts. DMV regulatory violations. Dealerships are licensed by the DMV. Physical aggression toward customers can be grounds for administrative action against their business license. Action roadmap for the victim. 1. File a police report. Report the battery and physical threats to the Norco Sheriff's Department to establish a formal record. 2. Evidence preservation. Maintain the original video files and any related dealership documents, contracts, repair orders. 3. Witness identification. Identify any other customers or bystanders visible in the footage who may serve as third-party witnesses. 4. Formal demand letter. Engage legal counsel to send a demand letter to the dealership and their insurance provider, citing the specific violations above. 5. Administrative complaints. File formal complaints with the California DMV Occupational Licensing Division and the Better Business Bureau. 6. Civil litigation. Consider filing a lawsuit in the Riverside County Superior Court for civil damages. Disclaimer and public notice. User statement. This post is an exercise of First Amendment rights. It involves an inquiry to an artificial intelligence regarding potential civil and penal code violations, and a request for a legal roadmap to assist the person depicted in the footage. The poster does not claim to be an attorney, is not providing legal advice, and is not receiving any income for this content. AI, disclaimer. I am an artificial intelligence, not an attorney. The information provided above is for educational and informational purposes only, and does not constitute legal advice or an attorney-client relationship. Laws vary by jurisdiction and are subject to interpretation. For specific legal concerns or to initiate a lawsuit, you should consult with a qualified licensed attorney in your area. Summary of conversation. Evidence reviewed. 3 videos showing aggression and physical contact at Platinum Auto Sales. Violations identified. PC 242, battery. PC 240, assault. Section 17200, unfair business practices, and the Ralph Act. Action plan. Recommended a sequence of police reporting, administrative complaints, and civil litigation. Legal protections. Included a mutual disclaimer clarifying that no legal advice is being provided and no professional relationship exists.